Hi friends, welcome to Amakshi Excel tutorials. Let's learn and conquer the fear of Excel. Today we'll be discussing about the font section of MS Excel. Now as you can see on your screen, this is the font section. Now it has some icons. We'll be talking about each one of them in detail. The very first icon of which we would be discussing is theme font. Now what is the role of theme font? Theme font lets you select the font in which you want your data to be displayed. Let's see this with an example. Now as you can see, by default your data is selected in Calibri theme format. Now if we wish to change the font of your data, now you will simply select your data, click on the font tab, and then you can see. Now let's say you wanted an Algerian font. Here your data is displayed in Algerian format. Let's say we want to change it in Broadway. Here it is. Now we'll go to the next function, that is size. Now what does the size indicates? Size is in what size you want your data to be displayed. Now we'll see this also with an example. We are changing the size for this particular data only for the heading. Now this is your font size tab. Now let's say we want to keep it 8. It's very small. Let's say 10. It's alright. So in this way we can change the size of our data and click the size you want to display. Now I hope you all can see two A's on your screen, a bit larger A and a smaller A. Now we'll see what does that A stands for. A larger A indicates increased font size, where a smaller A indicates decreased font size. What does that mean? Now let us select one data of Divakar Sharma and we'll press a larger A. See what happens? It increases the size of the data. We'll press one more time, it will increase. Now with the pressing of larger A, it will increase the size, whereas if we select a smaller A, it will reduce the size of the data. Now I hope you all can see the three functions here, B, I, U. There's one more function which you cannot see, but I'll show you. It's D, that is double underline. Now what all these stands for, we'll see in detail. Now what does B stands for, or what is the role of B? B stands for bold letters. It makes your content in bold letters. As you can see, it is in bold letters. Now what does I stands for? I stands for italic. What is the role of that? It makes your content in italic format. What is U? It underlines your content. As you can see, your data has been underlined. Now what does D stands for? It stands for double underline. Double underline, what is the function of that? It underlines your data twice. There is one more icon in this section, that is borders. Now what does borders do, or what is the role of borders? It applies borders to the selected cell. You can select all the borders or any of the borders, any one of the borders. Maybe it's up, down, left or right according to your requirement. Now let's say we'll select this data and we want the borders, all the borders on this data. Now we'll simply select all borders, and as you can see, borders has been created. We'll select the data again. Now this time we don't want all the borders, we just want thick border outside. Now you can see the thick border outside the data. What if we want to remove this border? We'll simply select no borders. It will remove all the borders from the data. The last two icons of this section are fill color and font color. Now what is fill color? Fill color fill the colors in the selected column. We'll see this. And what does font color? What is font color? It changes the color of the selected font. Now we'll understand this with the example. We'll apply or experiment both of them, font color and font fill color and font color on the same data. Now let's say we select the headline and we'll click on fill color and we'll simply change it to gray. We'll select gray. Now what if we want to change the color of the text as well? We'll select this and choose whichever color we want. Let's say we want this color to be displayed. We'll simply select it. Right? If you like the video, please click on like button and please subscribe for more videos.